Hello, I'm Elie Houver, Supply Chain Director for the SULO Group and sponsor of the Dassault Systèmes BPM solution deployment since 2019. Our mission is to create solutions that transform today's waste into tomorrow's resources. With 2,300 employees and 600 million euros in revenue, we operate 8 production sites across Europe. We provide our customers with products and services focused on waste management, such as collection bins, compactors, voluntary drop-off containers, and digital solutions tailored to these products.
I am Virginie Gutierrez, responsible for supply chain projects for the SULO Group. In the year 2019, one of my challenges was to simplify processes while promoting communication and information sharing. I then turned to a process digitalization solution based on the BPM methodology, first for the Langres site, and then for all the other sites of the group.
At our Hereford site, we lacked a clear process for handling trucks that failed to meet our safety standards. Loading staff sometimes spent too much time searching for the right contact person when issues arose during loading. Additionally, we faced complaints about inadequate load securing, with no way to prove that the fault did not lie with our load securing procedures. Since implementing this process, we can ensure that we only load trucks that meet all requirements. We are protected in case of transport issues or damage. Our processes have become faster, and we can retrieve all past loading information in the BPM solution.
The business process management solution also allows us to complement existing business software. For example, I implemented a logistics process for transportation management that cannot be integrated into our enterprise resource planning system. It starts with the request from our customers to collect our used bins, then goes through our transport manager, the carrier, and finally the company that will shred our bins so we can re-inject the material into our new bins. The benefits were quickly visible. Some operations are even completely autonomous without going through the transport manager.
By 2022, it became clear that our pilot site had reached maturity, and processes were already being rolled out to other locations. At that point, we received strong support from our leadership to launch the full deployment and establish a structured governance approach.
Since then, we have deployed nearly 200 processes across 8 sites and in 11 areas of activities such as supply chain, quality, finance, and trade. Such a volume of processes in production required us to set up a training program for process modeling accessible to everyone. Our goal is for each local team to be able to deploy its processes independently. Process governance has been established to ensure their coherence and effectiveness. This also allows us to identify common processes across our different sites, such as customer complaints, for example. The teams are generally very satisfied. Roles and responsibilities are well defined. Everyone knows what they have to do and can carry out their tasks with all the elements they need. We integrate both our clients and our suppliers into our processes. As for management, monitoring and analysis are simplified thanks to the traceability of each process, ensuring a complete history. We also utilize the solution's data in our BI tool. This allows us to make all key performance indicators related to the process available to everyone. Processes evolve with the company's life, so they are always up to date.